Take. Meaning 15. To swallow or use a medicine or drug, especially in a particular way. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Meaning 16. To do or perform. Shally is taking economics at university. Shally is taking economics at university. The Archbishop took our service of Thanksgiving. The Archbishop took our service of Thanksgiving. Meaning 17. Used with many nouns to make a verb phrase that is equally meaning to the related verb. I think we'll take a break there. I think we'll take a break there. If you're tired, you should take a rest. If you're tired, you should take a rest. Meaning 18. To think about something or someone in a particular way. We're taking the bomb threats very seriously. We're taking the bomb threats very seriously.